The Nike Air Max Plus 7 is back for its 20th anniversary in 2025, bringing fresh energy to a cult classic. Originally debuting in 2005, this silhouette returns in two colorways, Varsity Maize for bold flair and Black Anthracite for understated versatility. First revealed by Sneaker Market Romania and now confirmed by Nike, this re-release features a textured upper, miniature swooshes, and a futuristic sole unit, staying true to Sean McDowell's iconic DN design lineage. Reimagined with modern performance updates, it continues Nike's ongoing celebration of visible air technology, aligning with newer models like the Air Max DN. The Plus 7's blend of heritage styling and forward-looking design is sure to win over both longtime collectors and new fans. Expect a holiday season drop via Nike.com and select retailers for around $180. Legacy meets innovation in this standout return from the vault.